Hi YouTube! Today I'm going to open a package, even though it's already half opened for no reason. I didn't open it, I just got home, so I don't know what that was. So I assume it's a purple sweater that I got. Just bear with me now, because usually it comes like in multiple packages, or like multiple items to a package. So this one is a sweater. I'm going to show it to you guys. It's just like this purple Harajuku sweater that I got. I think it was like 50 bucks. I don't know. Way too much money, but that's what it looks like. The quality is super good, and it's like, it feels super warm. So yeah, that's what the inside looks like. And I don't know what that brand is, Sangnin or some shit. I don't know. So that's what that is. And then here we have a shirt. And this shirt is one I've been looking forward to. So this is size large. It's this Harajuku shirt that I got. I don't know what it says, but whatever. It's got little heart with crossbones and little bat wings on the text, as you can see. Super cute. And then it has a little thing where you can tie it in the front, so you could do like a crisscross thing in the front. And that's what I got today. So thank you guys for watching. Sorry. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.